Oke. Bagaimana ya? Y'all niggas ready to rock? Hey, my shoulder, yo. You gotta talk English, my boy. And you, don't you steal my GoPro.
I don't speak
What? No.
I don't speak English.
My shoulder. My shoulder. Yo, I'm back on the bike. I know I fell, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, and you know, just get back on the bike. It's not as bad as it looks. I just gotta get some new indicators, the new brake light, and my plastics are fine. Even if I have to get new plastics, it's not that expensive. It's about like 30 bucks, I think, 40 bucks for a new rear fender. And you know, other than that, there's nothing wrong with the engine, so I'm happy about that. Right now, I'm gonna go with my friends to a little drag strip, right? Have a little drag race, and it's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna have an awesome time. It's gonna be great. All right, these are my friends, and I trust them. Oh! Oh! Almost bump into you. You trying to go? What's up, dog? Ah! Haha! Dumbass bitches. I just squirted them with sand. We're gonna hit up this drag strip. It's gonna be great. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Fuck, almost fell down there like a little bitch. Faggot! Faggot! Gotta be careful because this shit is gravel. I can fall so hard in this shit. guys, I'm faster.
See a man that ain't got time to kick your heels. Hit that dive, pulling pockets like it's back.
You dumb motherfucker. You should have checked before we went. God damn it, man. We come all the way out here for this? Look, man. You think I like it here? Trying to start it now, huh? Trying to start it now. Does someone have a tube? We can suck some gas from this one and put it in there. Let's try and like flip it over and then just pour it. We come all the way out here for him to forget his fucking gas, and now we gotta go back because he's a dumb little rat. God damn it. This is great. We love it.